Hi, I'm Grandma Williams. Welcome to Grandma's Kitchen. Love to have you. Today, Grandma made Grandma's homemade chicken nuggets, and here they are. This is about 25 to 30 golden chicken nuggets. Grandma had to put some ranch dressing, Hidden Valley ranch dressing, in the center, hoping you wouldn't mind. Because she's going to go ahead and cut one open so that you can see what they look like inside. And I guess any one we want, right? How about one of these? Grandma's left-handed, so remember what I told y'all, always cut in the angle, never this way, but on an angle. Whoa, look at that. That is well done. And look at all the herbs and seasonings over here as well. That looks really good. So good. Okay, well, Grandma's going to enjoy this and take Grandpa into the living room. We're going to watch a movie and enjoy all these chicken nuggets. We love you. See you in the next video.